And there's breaking news coming in. 5 cases today have been taken up by the CBI when it comes to the NEET UG investigation. A total of 6 cases have been registered. The first case was registered on Sunday on the complaint given by the Ministry of Education. Let's also get you the breakup of these cases, of all the 6 cases that have now been registered by the CBI. 1 case has been registered in Gujarat, 1 in Bihar, 1 in Rajasthan, 1 on the complaint of the Ministry of Education. Now, these are the latest details. We have Bhavtosh joining us on the phone line. Bhavtosh, take us through the details of the breakup, because right now we saw the teams of the CBI, right after the case was handed over, teams of the CBI went ahead and, took stock in Godhra and in Patna. What's the latest?
As CBI is concerned, CBI so far have registered 6 cases. 1 they have registered on the complaint that was given by the Ministry of Education. And the other 5 cases, 1 case they have taken over is from Gujarat police, in which a notification was issued by the Gujarat government. The second one is a complaint or a case that has been transferred by the Bihar government. And 3 cases have been transferred to CBI by Rajasthan government. As far as Bihar is concerned, it's only in Bihar case that widespread and organized NEET exam paper leak has happened. Whereas in other states, what sources have said is that in other places, in other states, the leakage has happened at isolated level, at a very small level, but it's only in Bihar case that widespread examination paper leak has happened. So it's in total, CBI has so far registered 6 cases. 1 is on the complaint that was given by the Ministry of Education. In 5 other cases, the cases have been transferred by the state police. Now, what CBI has said is that they are slowly taking over cases from state police, and it could be possible that a 7th case will soon be registered, in which the Latur police, that's in Maharashtra, another case was registered. But CBI has clarified that these are isolated leaks that have happened, and they are carrying out their investigation. And already hundreds of students have approached the Supreme Court asking for a CBI probe, and it's expected that 8th of July, Supreme Court will be taking up this matter.
All right, Bhavtosh, tell us also about the Jharkhand angle, because right now you're talking about cases that have been registered from Bihar, in Rajasthan, and a possibility of a case being registered in Latur as well, which is in Maharashtra. We also got to know that the origin of the leak was in the Oasis school in Hazaribagh. Is the CBI also looking to expand its investigation in Jharkhand?
Yes, in fact, Sagrika, what has happened in Bihar is that the actual leak of the question paper leak happened in Jharkhand, in Hazaribagh, and subsequently the PDF file went to the accused, one of the solvers, and then the accused in this case gave the question paper to the solvers as well as to the accused. The accused were asked to mug up the question paper and answers. They were kept in isolated places around 1 kilometer from the examination centers. They were in fact given drop-offs as well as taxis. In fact, yesterday, one of the taxi driver was also arrested by the Bihar police. Since the investigation was being carried out by the Bihar police, yesterday Bihar government issued a notification asking CBI to take over the investigation. What will happen next in this case is that CBI will take over the case files and will also seek the custody of all the accused in this case. That's 19 accused in this case from the court. CBI has in fact said that so far they have registered 6 cases and they are in process of filing another case that has in fact happened in Latur.
So 6 cases so far, in the process of filing another case. That's the latest when it comes to the CBI investigation in the exam mess that's ongoing.